scheduled sleeping habits are associated with a sound health. Adults with the healthiest sleep patterns such as morning rising, sleeping 7 to 8 hours a day and no frequent insomnia, snoring or excessive daytime sleepiness, experienced a 40% reduction in the risk of illness, compared to those with unhealthy sleep patterns. Another basis of conflict between scientists is the means by which Mars with its freezing surface temperature could accommodate fluid water, causing the affidavits of waterways and lakes noticeable on the planet today. Fluid water is a precondition for the collecting of natural particles, which is the thing that occurred at about 4 billion years back during the development of life on Earth. As English became the predominant language around the world, tremendous number of individuals are learning it. The time of English language procurement is likewise bringing down simultaneously. Actually, I trust it is essential for an individual from a non-English talking network to learn English, yet I think it isn't important to do as such until a youngster is around 7 or 8. Communication is a gift to mankind. These days, with the quick advancement of innovation, an ever-increasing number of individuals, including my colleagues and family members, have gotten associated with the Internet, a computerized framework, wherein computers speak with one another through satellites. Many workplaces and systems have the Internet backing to do their daily activities. A study has discovered that nonsensical research papers generated by a computer software are still appearing in the scientific literature many years after the problem was originally noticed. Some publishers have informed the group that they will remove the papers, potentially resulting in over 200 retractions. Many firms nowadays interact internally using internal instant messaging software, which might be worse than email because the notification sounds and pop-ups might be endless. One multinational corporation has attempted to eliminate distractions by prohibiting the use of push notifications. According to one report, they were able to reclaim 25% of their work time while also increasing customer satisfaction and efficiency by 30%. Are you a believer in superstitions? Although most individuals would answer no, many of us live our lives making bizarre decisions. In the United States, Friday the 13th is considered so unlucky that 10,000 fewer individuals travel on that day. Additionally, businesses suffer on that day since fewer people travel. The negative impacts of the unlucky number aren't confined to travel. Overconfidence can have many negative effects. In business, it can be disastrous when people invest money in badly performing stocks or support new aptitude.
The term of permaculture advocates a sustainable approach to life through implementing a variety of concepts and practices. One of the key ideas is that of closed-loop systems, which means a system that is self-sufficient in terms of all its energy. An example of this is a farm that provides all the food for its livestock rather than buying any from an outside supplier. This could include using kitchen waste as animal feed as well as growing suitable crops.